Hey, it's Nadine. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 ways that I like to journal and just how I approached the whole journaling concept without being and feeling so intimidated, because I know that when I first started having the idea of wanting to journal and keeping these memories of my life, I felt very intimidated and I didn't know where to start. So hopefully this could be a good starting point for you guys and it will be helpful. If you want to know some of my tips, then just keep on watching, and yeah, let's get started. Journaling holds 3 purposes in my life: to distress, to reflect, and to remember. For me, journaling is a way to keep parts of my memories for myself, as I have really bad memory, and it allows me to appreciate life more, from the highs and the lows, so I can see my growth as a human being. There are 3 ways I like to journal. Note that I don't do everything every day, I only journal when I feel like it. The first way is the classic mind dump. Using old school pen and paper, I just let all my feelings flow out. I let go and allow myself to be completely honest. There's no point in being afraid of how you feel. What's in your head? What's in your heart? Even ideas, doodles, stories, and lists could be included here. The second way I like to journal is as a day keeper, a way for me to remember what I do exactly in my normal, everyday life. I use the app Reflectly for this. As a day keeper, it just reminds me that not every day is a bad day and not every day is a good day. But all days are days in my life I can choose to make matter. I like this app because its interface is very user-friendly. It totally makes journaling a lot less scary. It allows you to have fun with it. For instance, you rate your days. And it also asks you what in specific made it good/bad. Then it asks you your overall feeling throughout the day and lets you ponder on how you could have made your day better. And it ends with a question. You never know what question you will get. Sometimes it's the same, sometimes it's different, but every question allows you to, you guessed it, reflect. It also comes with a tracker of how quote-unquote good you feel your days are going, which I think is a really cool feature. The last way I like to keep my memories is through a happiness jar. Think of this as your highlight reel for the year, as when the year ends, you get to open up the jar and read about all the cool things that happened during this year. It's a really fun way to be sentimental and thankful of your year. Oftentimes, we downplay or we forget about our experiences that made us truly enjoy and be grateful of life. This is just an awesome and simple way for you to remember those memories, and trust me, your December 31 self will thank you. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was pretty simple and quick, but nonetheless, I hope that you learned something and that it makes you want to journal and gives you insight on why I journal and why you should too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and this video was from my heart to yours. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!